Welcome. In the next 60 seconds, you'll learn exactly how to go live on your Facebook page using Prism Live Studio, step by step. First, open Prism Live Studio on your computer and sign in with your Facebook account if you haven't already. On the main Prism screen, look at the top or bottom center and click the big Select Platform or Platform button. From the list of platforms, choose Facebook. When the window appears, make sure you're connecting with the correct Facebook profile. Now select Facebook page as your destination, not your personal timeline, so the stream goes directly to your page. A list of your pages appears. Click the page you want to stream to, then hit confirm or OK to save it. Back in Prism, type your stream title and short description. Make it clear what your live is about. Check your camera and microphone sources at the bottom or side. Make sure the right webcam and mic are selected and levels are moving. If you want, add simple overlays like your logo or a text banner by clicking the Source or Overlay Plus button. Take a quick look at your preview window. Make sure your camera framing, lighting, and text all look good before you go live. Ready to start? Click the Go Live button. Prism will connect to Facebook and start streaming on your page. Once you see the live timer running, you're officially live on your Facebook page. Speak to your viewers, and when you're done, click End to stop the stream.